Okay, here we have linear systems and substitution. And looking at some examples, I'm going to work out number 1. And here we have y equals 4x plus 3 and y equals x minus 3. And I'm going to rewrite these just a little bit different. If I have 4x plus 3 equals y, and I have y equals x minus 3, what I need for you to know is that this y and this y are both equal. Since they're equal, that means that we can write 4x plus 3 is equal to x minus 3. And now we can solve for x. So we have substituted one equation in for the other. We have substituted this 4x plus 3 into that y, or vice versa. But now we can solve for x. So I'm going to subtract x from this side, subtract it from the other side, and I have 3x plus 3 is equal to negative 3. I can now subtract the 3 from this side, and I get 3x is equal to negative 6. And now finally dividing by 3 on both sides, I have x equals negative 2. So I have x equals negative 2. I need to figure out what y is. So that means I have to take x, and plug it back in for either, let's change colors here, I have to plug it into that y. Sorry, I am not thinking. Where's my eraser? Let's erase that. Let's go back to drawing. We're on blue. I have to replace the x here with a negative 2, or I have to replace that x with a negative 2. It does not matter which one. You do not have to do both. I'm going to go ahead and use this one. It looks simpler. So I have y equals, I'm going to put my x in parentheses there, and just show that my minus 2 goes in here. I mainly use those parentheses in case I had a negative sign in front of the x, then I would know I would have to distribute that negative sign. So I have y equals negative 2 minus 3, so y equals negative 5. So my answer is negative 2 comma negative 5. And that's that one. Hope that helps. I'll have another example in just a moment.